Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems, delivering intelligent forklift tracking solutions that improve safety, productivity, fleet utilization, and operational visibility using Industrial IoT, RFID, RTLS, AI, and real-time analytics. Forklift operations often face safety risks, unauthorized usage, idle time, equipment damage, and limited visibility across warehouse and manufacturing facilities. Brilliant Forklift Tracking integrates IoT sensors, RFID operator authentication, AI cameras, RTLS tracking, impact detection, proximity alerts, and centralized fleet analytics into one intelligent platform. The system continuously monitors forklift location, speed, operating hours, battery health, operator activity, and equipment utilization through a real-time dashboard. It instantly detects overspeed events, collisions, pedestrian proximity, restricted zone violations, and unauthorized operation, helping improve workplace safety and compliance. Advanced analytics optimize fleet utilization, reduce idle time, improve productivity, lower maintenance costs, and provide complete real-time fleet visibility. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.